Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a human anatomy of a lady at a back view. I am going to teach you human anatomy and a portion that what I am going to show of a human anatomy is a back view. So here is my pencil, here is my eraser. Sharp it in a normal wise. Don't sharp it very pointed. Put it little bit blunted. Now I am going to start. First I'll be making a oval shape that will be a head part. Again this will be a shoulder. Again this will be a shoulder. Again this will be a chest part. Again it will be somewhat like a thighs part, leg part. So this is my format. You can also make it one standing line at the center. You can part it equally. Now I'm going to start. This is my format. When you are going to draw a human anatomy, you have to make it your format. Now I'm going to start. Here I want to show a back view, so I'm going to make it this head part with a covered of whole hairs. So here one curve and few layers of the hair. Which has been open. Now few strokes I'll be doing inside, but that part, few shading parts will be doing afterwards. So now little bit a slanting line for making a shoulder at both the sides. Here I made a shoulder, but little bit it is leaning towards downside, so make it downside little bit. Again here it's coming in, it's coming in. Now arms, which is coming down. Again little bit inside for making a hand. Now I'm going to make it a back view, so hand will be in a back portion and a thumb. Now same thing, I'm going towards opposite side for making a hand. One hand I want to make it turn, so it will be a curve here, and little bit I'm going to make it a narrow vest inside. Coming inside, little bit going outside, and making a gown of the girl. Here my format of the girl is ready. Now I'm going towards little bit shading. Strokes rising upside. Strokes rising upside. From the upside, a strokes which is going downside. Just I've taken a normal pencil. I'm not taking a shading pencil. Here my few lines are strokes of the heads are done. Now I'm going to make it end part dark little bit. All the end parts are going to make it dark. Hair strokes should be given in a same direction. Here, heads are done. If you want to make it some few hairs lying outside, you can give a strokes. Now I'm going towards shoulder, a hand, I'm going to show a back view. You're also going to tie a gown from a back side with a bow tie. One oval shape and one bow tie, giving few strokes inside. So this is a bow tie and few layers of the gown which is rising upside. Just I am giving a dark tone first and a few light strokes rising upside. Few little bit strokes at the downside, even at the upside on a shoulder. On a hand part. Here my back view is ready. Now I'm going to construct little bit backdrop. Here I'm going to make it one straight where she is walking. Or somewhat like a ramp. From the same point, I'm going to take it perspective a little bit. Here, somewhat like a footpath, I'm going to show. Here, few slipping lines of the footpath. Showing the thickness of the footpath little bit. Same thing here, showing the thickness, and again standing few lines which I am going to show the depth of the footpath, even also thickness of the footpath, even also we can see the volume here. Now here few buildings and towers. We can take its scale for making straight lines. Here a few buildings at the back. If you want to make it some perspective, you can give it some shades. So this is a backup that what I made it. But just thing that what I want to make was a human anatomy with a back view. Thank you friends.